Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change Mozilla Firefox web browser language. Let's jump straight into it guys. First open up Firefox and click on this menu icon over here and select settings. You just need to scroll down. Under the language and appearance, you just need to scroll down. Under the language, choose the language used to display menus, messages, and notifications from Firefox. Select the language you want it or search for more languages. Simply click on this drop down and search for more languages. You just need to click on the select a language to add. Here you can add whatever language you want it guys. After that click on OK to save changes. You may restart your web browser, the changes take effect. After restart your web browser, you can see the language appears guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.